on that area and want a change. It's so unfortunate. You pretend you are not interested, at the same time you are going to the mountain to have found a pastor for prayers to have the same thing. You are pretending not to be part, not to be interested in. It doesn't work that way. Now, statistically, it has also been reported that there are 3 things that affect marriages, families negatively. Number 1, money, and everything that has to surround that money. You get that now? Money. And money what? Related issues that affect marriages. Imagine among the 3 points, number 1 was money and everything money related issues. Number 2 that affect marriages, according to statistics, is intimacy issues. Probably they say we are not compatible, oh, we are not sexually compatible, we are not whatever point it is. Compatibility, intimacy challenge came as number 2. Of course, number 3 was just in-law and external influences. So you can imagine the in-law that some of you are getting married, the person you are thinking about in-law, you are even praying that the mother of your father of your husband should be dead before you come into the home because you don't want to face in-law challenge. But you see, that actually comes even thought, at least by the statistics. So it's so vital. We need to understand the money aspect of our lives and take it very, very serious. It bothers me when we put up a meeting, you come one day, we don't see it again, then you throw in maybe 4 weeks after. You can't get it done like that. You can't build a formidable team, and you cannot become a 7-figure earner like me and every other person. Why? What successful men do daily is what failures do what? Occasionally. I've said that so many times. I need to get it. The reason you are getting the poor result you are getting is because you are passive about the money issues. You are not facing the truth with some level of brutality. You are taking it lightly. What will be, will be. And when they say they know Allah care, I mean, Allah bring, Allah take it. Not totally true now. So when you kill yourself, is it Allah that made you to kill yourself? No. Or God that made you to kill yourself? No. You took your life. Alright? It's a submission to like, oh, well, this is a situation we couldn't do anything about. But the truth is that is life, but we can do something about what? Our finance. If you come to any industry that you want to make something out of it, learn from the masters. Learn from those who are getting results. Look for those who are top leaders and submit to yourself to them to learn and begin to have results. Alright, now let's now quickly give you 3 points on multiple streams of income. I just show a book to you that things you can actually do to what brings money most of the time. Number 1, like he just said, is jobs. We are not going to overlook this one because it's salary thing. Because salary helps you to solve what? Immediate problem, immediate challenges. Salary helps you to solve them. So jobs is important. It's one stream of what? Of income. So if you don't have a job, please get one. Get a job. Alright? Don't ever you live your life without having something that brings money to you on a daily basis, on a monthly basis. Because that's what job takes care of. So we have about 2 or 3 persons who have retired